Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna show you how to make your exhaust sound a little bit more spicy without spending, like $500 for a professional exhaust. So here we got the 400EX, known for the dumbest exhaust. Very restrictive. You don't want none of that, and it sounds like a lawnmower. Let's just start this puppy up to show you just the fact that it sounds like a lawnmower. See, there ain't no spiciness going on there. That's very mild exhaust. You see, even with revs, it still sounds like a lawnmower. So, I'm gonna show you how to make your exhaust sound a little bit better with only random things that you find in the woods at a place that you can ride. So, first thing you do is go through the woods and just, hey, look, there's a random object on the ground that kind of looks like a tube. So now you just take this puppy and kind of just... Wow, doesn't that sound cool? All you do is you take your pipe and you kind of just position it about 6 inches from your exhaust, and then somehow you just tape it there. Use magic or a wire, so like you could wrap a wire around there and then there and hold it there, and then you've got a really spicy sounding exhaust for like free. You just find one of those lying in the woods. Like, who can't find one of those in the woods? Thanks for watching, boys and girls. Subscribe for more quality content.